are you suffering from knee pain? Try this exercise. Get you a foam roller or something you can put under your hamstrings to elevate your leg. Put it under there like that. And this is all about you building up endurance and strength in the knee and the quad. So by getting your quad stronger, it's going to also strengthen up your knee. So you can start by doing reps of 10 on each side, 10 on the other side, and we're going to build it up to 15, 16, 17 reps. So I suggest you doing at least 3 sets of 10 reps and build it up to 16, 17 and get enough endurance in the knee. So simple. Just doing this alone, the main focus is doing this is strengthening the knee and the quad. So you do that, set your body up, and you really feel that quad engaging and getting that knee stronger. So just this movement exercise alone will gradually improve your knee mobility, and it will have you to be more mobile. Give it a try.
I'm fitness trainer Solomon Pratt. Are you looking to tone your abs, sculpt your buttocks, and build your arms, and you want to achieve your weight loss goal? Then you should get my total body fitness sculpting bands. Challenge your muscles in a new way to force them to evolve and tone up with Solomon Fitness World Bands to experience higher levels of connection with your mind, body, and spirit. These bands will not break, will not snap, or will not roll up, so you can focus on your workouts to experience the best results possible. Whether you are at home, on the go, training at a gym, the Solomon Fitness World Bands will enhance your connection with yourself and the world while toning your body, improving your flexibility, mobility, and strengthening your muscles. You will build the perfect body without having to do expensive surgery. The Diva Bundle, the Your Best Booty Bundle, the Perfect Bundle, and the Incredible Bundle will get you the best results possible. You can get my bands from SolomonFitnessWorld.com, and my phone number is 630-489-7051.
This is Master P, and salute to trainer Solomon Pratt. If you're ready to get in shape, go to SolomonFitnessWorld.com and get what you need. You heard me?
No idea is a whack idea, so send us in your stuff. Master P Reviews.